Is your 2013 Hyundai Santa Fe backup camera flickering or showing a black screen? Data shows that 80% of intermittent camera issues are caused by damaged wires in the tailgate hinge. Let us break down the diagnostic process to get your view back. Start by cleaning the lens and checking your fuses before moving to deeper electrical testing. The most common culprits are frayed harness wires, poor grounding, or a failed camera module due to water intrusion. Look for a foggy image or rolling lines, which usually indicate that the camera module itself has failed. You can handle simple inspections yourself, but harness repair often requires professional tools and patience. Costs vary widely from a $5 fuse to several hundred for professional wiring harness repair. If you are digging deeper, use a multimeter to check for continuity, and always use nylon trim tools to avoid scratches. Always disconnect your battery before working on electrical components and never force those plastic trim panels. Remember, the camera is a convenience, but the wiring is the lifeline, so always check the hinge first. Subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and keep your Santa Fe rolling smoothly.